The software is customized to the individual patient, allowing for a more personalized and effective therapy experience. Benefits of virtual reality in healthcare. The use of virtual reality in healthcare can bring many benefits to both patients and healthcare providers. For example, VR technology can help to improve patient outcomes by allowing doctors and medical students to practice procedures and surgeries in a safe and controlled environment. VR technology can also help to reduce the cost of healthcare by providing remote access to medical care. For example, patients in remote or underserved areas can receive expert medical care from anywhere in the world, without the need for expensive travel or accommodations. Another benefit of virtual reality in healthcare is that it can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels in patients. Virtual reality in healthcare can also help to improve patient engagement and adherence to treatment plans. By providing a more immersive and interactive experience, patients are more likely to remain engaged with their treatment and see it through to completion. Challenges and limitations of virtual reality in healthcare. While virtual reality in healthcare has many benefits, it also has some challenges and limitations. One of the biggest challenges is the cost of VR devices and software platforms. While the cost of VR has reduced significantly over the years, the initial investment can still be expensive for healthcare providers and patients alike. Another challenge is the need for specialized training and expertise to use virtual reality in healthcare effectively. Healthcare providers need to be trained in the use of VR devices and software, and patients need to be familiarized with the technology to get the most out of their therapy or treatment. Limitations in the current state of virtual reality technology can also be a challenge. For example, the resolution and visual quality of VR devices may not be as high as real life, which can affect the accuracy and precision of surgical simulations or medical training. As virtual reality technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses in healthcare. For example, VR could be used to create personalized treatment plans for each patient, based on their individual needs and progress. It could also be used to develop new therapies for conditions such as chronic pain or addiction. It could also be used to create virtual simulations of medical research, allowing researchers to test hypotheses and explore new treatment options. Another potential application of virtual reality in healthcare is in the field of telemedicine. Virtual reality could be used to create a more immersive and interactive experience for remote medical consultations, enhancing the quality of care for patients in remote or underserved areas. Virtual reality, VR, is hailed as the latest technological boon to the world of healthcare that can transform patients' lives. With VR, a patient immerses themselves in a digitally generated environment that creates a simulated world of 3D visuals and sound that mimics the real world. The advancements in VR technology and its applications have made it a potent tool for healthcare providers, medical students, and researchers alike. With its ability to offer a sense of escapism, VR technology has helped in reducing stress levels, pain management, and anxiety, making it an indispensable asset in the world of medicine. Medical training and surgical simulations. Furthermore, surgical simulations that let doctors hone their skills and perfect techniques before operating on real patients can also be conducted in a virtual environment. With VR simulations, surgery outcomes may improve, and learning curves for new skills can be significantly accelerated. Virtual reality in sports, training and fan experience. Virtual reality in sports, training and fan experience. Virtual reality has taken the world by storm in the last decade, and its impact can be felt in almost every industry. One industry that has been immensely transformed by virtual reality is the world of sports. Both training and fan experience have been changed forever with the use of virtual reality. Training. Athletes, coaches, and trainers around the world use virtual reality to enhance their training regimes. The technology is now being used to simulate real-world situations for athletes, which enables transfer of training to real-world performance. One of the most significant advantages of using virtual reality in sports training is the ability to mimic game-like scenarios without the risks of injury. The use of virtual reality allows trainers and coaches to replicate game situations and analyze them on the spot. This has provided an advantage for coaches and athletes, as they are now able to make better, informed decisions on strategies. For example, a football team can view a virtual match and adjust their gameplay accordingly. This has enabled coaches to test different plays during practice, allowing athletes to execute them flawlessly in the actual game. Virtual reality in sports training means athletes get access to in-depth data analytics, allowing them to refine their technique in a way that could not be improved using traditional methods. Virtual reality can measure an athlete's movements, hand-eye coordination, and reaction times. These data analysis tools have provided an essential platform for coaches, enabling them to focus on areas in need of improvement. Another use of virtual reality in sports training is injury prevention. Injuries are a huge setback for athletes. Injuries can affect both their careers and lives, and are often a result of poor training techniques. Virtual reality is being used to analyze the movements of an athlete, which helps create a better understanding of which exercises could be harmful to them. Moreover, virtual training in a safe environment allows rehabilitation experiences that are not possible in traditional training. By using virtual reality, athletes can complete rehab under simulated game-like scenarios at their own pace. Fan experience. Virtual reality in sports has made a splash in game day experiences. Fans can now engage with sports from home and, more importantly, experience sports in a way they never could before. Virtual reality has created a vast and engaging platform for the sports industry, allowing for new revenue and opportunities for fan engagement. One of the most significant advantages of using virtual reality in sports fan experience is the ability to provide an in-stadium experience from anywhere. Live events are lost on television, but virtual reality allows fans to feel as though they are at the game from afar. With the use of VR headsets, fans can immerse themselves in the game from the comfort of their own homes. This immersive experience has revolutionized how fans engage with their favorite teams. Virtual reality has also created engaging platforms for sports betting websites. The use of virtual reality in sports has allowed betting websites to offer various betting opportunities. Virtual reality stimulation of a game allows for fans to bet on the outcome of a game at any point in the match. This not only increases engagement between fans and the game but also presents an alternative revenue stream for sports betting websites. Moreover, virtual reality has created new channels for advertising and sponsorship opportunities. Sponsors can produce ads and sponsored content for virtual reality platforms and games.